Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs Black Stag Styling. So for today, we're in fact this is it's on a Saturday, so I've got to get the Defender all clean and tidy, ready basically to go to Glemham Hall Classic Cars and Motorbikes sort of show tomorrow. So we're looking forward to this. Be good to get the Black Stag Defender out on display, with all our leaflets and bits and pieces as well. So hopefully get chatting to a few customers, potential customers, bits and pieces like that. Get speaking to a few people about what we've done with our Defender. So it should be good this. We're tomorrow morning I'm meeting up with the Vint-tro guys, and we're going to be on display on their stand. So they're going to have their cars all there. We're going to have some Aston Martin, should be TVR, Porsche, Cayman, and who knows what else. So stay tuned for this, should be good. Don't forget normal things, you know, like and subscribe to our channel. Huge thanks to the people who've already subscribed. It's a massive help, and also hopefully you're enjoying the videos. So new subscribers, get subscribing, and don't forget to comment about what we're doing as well. We'd love to know what you think about all of this. Also, we've now got some of our some new merchandise. One of them is our caps. So we've got black and red, and the grey and white and black. Look good, so that's all available through our merchandise. Stay tuned for more. Let's get this little baby clean, ready for tomorrow. Woohoo! Okay, so Defender's all now finished inside as well, so I'll give you a quick view of the inside. Hello, Chloe.
Hello, Daddy. The Defender looks all nice and clean. Do you want some cake?
I'd love some cake.
Hashtag bloodsweatandcakes.
Brilliant, thank you. Hi guys, so we're now off to meet up with the Vint-tro guys. So it's Sunday morning, so we're meeting up with the Vint-tro guys just at a local petrol station. Then we are driving over to Glemham Hall, ready for the classic cars and motorbikes sort of show. There should be all sorts of things going on there, so we'll sort of keep you up to date with this. Let's see what happens. Superb. Early in the morning, so well, early enough for me on a Sunday morning. So right, we'll get going. Hi guys, right, so we're now met up with all the Vint-tro guys at the petrol station. It's a really superb turnout, as you can probably see behind me. So we've got Astons, Porsches, TVRs, Nissan, Skylines, obviously our Defender, BMW Z4M, Porsche Turbo. Got quite a selection, as you can see. So stay tuned, we're going to get over to Glemham Hall for the car event, and we'll speak to you soon. I'll give you a little bit more filming.
Excuse me, are you allowed to film here? This is private property. Thank you very much.
Okay, so we're now at the Glemham Hall with the Vint-tro guys on the stand. Good little display, look, it's looking good. Got Cartec behind us as well, so we'll have a little chat with them later on for their detailing and valeting products. Here's Andrew. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, Sam.
And Ian. Hello, Ian.
Hello, Alex.
Giving his a little clear. It's got a little bit dusty, isn't it, mate? A little bit dusty. A little bit dusty on the drive here. Couldn't do mine, could you, pal?
Yeah, I'll do that for you.
Oh. Don't know if that's a good thing or not, really. Right, guys, we're doing a little bit of recording over with Rick Carey's race car. So I'll just show you that and some of the trophies he's won. There we go, so look at this lovely E-type Jags, look. What an iconic and amazing car. Gorgeous and such an iconic car, the E-Type. Some lovely examples here as well. Interview here for cartec for their sponsorship for the Glemham Hall car event. And you've got to love the military vehicles, look. Fantastic looking Jeeps. And again, the people dressed for the occasion, look. Think how old some of these vehicles are and the condition they're still in. One looks like a generator in the back. so as you can see, there's quite a good turnout for the Glemham Hall show with classic cars and bikes. We've had a little look round. I hope you have enjoyed it. Well, nice weather for it, so should hopefully have raised quite a bit of money for their charity for children in need. Well done for everyone who's turned out. We've done a little bit of videoing of the interview for Cartec, as they were one of the sponsors for the show. Yeah, let's hope you've enjoyed it. We'll keep having a wander around as the weather is so nice. We've had some food as well. As you can see, there's some really cool military vehicles as well. Don't forget the old hashtag bloodsweatandcakes. Comment down below, we want to know what you think of everything. The Vint-tro stand's been pretty good as well. There's what else we got? We've loads of classic cars for you, TVRs and bits and pieces as well. Have a little pan round so you can see. I'm standing in the middle of nowhere really at the moment. There we go. Some lovely classic Sierra Cosworths, even some buses. What more could you ask for? Right. Thanks guys for checking out our latest video. It's been a nice day, been a really good day. Been good being on the stand with the Vint-tro guys, so don't forget to check out their Instagram and Facebook. It's Vint-tro or @Vint-tro. Check them out, really good. Also check out Cartec for their products. So we've been working with them for a while as well at our workshop. They're really good. So they were there as well. We got Rick Kerry with his race team. That was really good. And the Glemham Hall classic cars and motorbikes, the whole show was really good, to be honest. It's a bit difficult to tell on a video, you know, towards exactly what it was like, but there was a real array and mix of cars, from classic to modern to motorbikes to all sorts really, and some good stalls and some nice people, good people to talk to. Good for our Black Stag Styling, of course, with the Defender. So there was chatting to a lot of people, giving out leaflets. That was really good. Please like and subscribe to our channel. For any new viewers watching this video, please like and subscribe as well, and turn on your notifications. It's really appreciated with the support from you guys. Check out our websites, Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs, Instagram and Facebook, and all the links below. Stay tuned to our channel. Check out some of our other videos. Please also comment down below. We'd like to know what you think of this video. We're trying to mix up and vary our content to keep it interesting for you guys. So we're not just doing repairs and styling. We're also going to car shows, going to car meets, maybe the odd little review for some products as well, just to mix up, keep it interesting. So we'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Happy days.